Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a video. This is kind of different. I've been doing pregnancy videos, and if you're new to my channel, or for those of you that don't know, I am 25 weeks and 2 days pregnant today. Today is Monday, May 21st. Saturday I'll be 26 weeks. Just makes no sense. It's truly crazy. It is. But I've been eyeballing something my whole pregnancy, and what it is it's called a bump box. So it's called a bump box. Comes in a box like this. So when I first got pregnant, I saw this on Instagram, and I've literally been eyeballing this since I was 8 weeks pregnant, maybe 9 weeks. You have three different things. You can do a first trimester, second trimester, or a third trimester, and they're boxes, and they come with different things for your pregnancy and different things. They may come with water bottles. It's all types of different things. Or you can do the monthly subscription. So honestly, most days I still don't feel pregnant a lot. I'm actually starting to really kind of pop now. My stomach is almost all the way hard. There's some spots that aren't. I can't wait till my stomach actually gets all the way hard though, so I don't look like I feel like I still sometimes look like I ate too many cheeseburgers. And y'all may think I sound crazy saying that, but I still have people say that to me. Or some people don't even believe me when I'm like, yeah, I'm 24, I'm 25 weeks pregnant. What? So yeah, so I was hoping by the time Jamal and I went to Florida, which is literally in 8 days, that I would be a little bit more bigger, but I guess I should be grateful for it. But anyways though, so I decided to do the monthly subscription. So it's 30% off the first time you sign up, so it was $27.99. And that was for my 6 month. And then the 7th, 8th, and 9th will be, I think, $40. But if I'm not mistaken, these are pretty big boxes. So I just figured I would kind of do an unboxing video, so you guys can kind of see what it is with me, because I don't know, and neither does nobody else. So, gonna go ahead and unbox this, maybe. Okay, so I'm so hyped about this. It's literally like Christmas, so I open it up, and this is what it is. So I'll kind of go one by one. It just says, "To Mom bump boxes, open to discover." And then it says, "Hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. Go ahead, open it. Score some sweet bump box deals." So, alright. It says, "Keep on bumping, mama." Oh, cool. Wait. Maybe this tells you what you got, but okay, let me just open it. So, right here we have Crunchy Rob's brand Himalayan pink salt popcorn air pops. It's air pop. It's smart vegan. It's gluten free, non-GMO, vegan, 35 calories per cup. That's cool. Okay, so first thing is popcorn. Then, dang, it's a lot in here. The second thing is by Andalou Naturals, Beauty is You All Over, a cognac body sponge, and it's natural fiber. It plumps and softens to gently exfoliate, includes perfecting green tea, and it's a facial cream inside as well. So basically this is to exfoliate your skin, which that'd be kind of nice because I get spray tans all the time. I'm not spray tan right now. I feel like I look like crap right now, but so that's the second thing. There's a lot of stuff in here. And wow, and they're full products, literally. This is, oh my gosh, this is so perfect. This is by Bella B. It's called Tummy to Toes, made with organic ingredients. Cooling leg and foot cream. Massage and revitalize, ideal for very dry skin. Hypoallergenic, paraben-free, and refreshing scent. So it says it's free of petroleum, lanolin, and parabens. It's ideal for soothing tired feet and legs. And literally the past 3 days my feet are killing me. They're not swollen. I don't have cankles. I drink enough water. I eat pretty healthy. But my feet have been killing me. Killing me. It says you can apply twice a day. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm hyped. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it has a cover on it, so I can't smell it. But so that's the third item. Then the fourth item is by Glow9 Organic, which I like that it's all organic stuff too. Even before I was pregnant, I don't like having skincare and things like that that are like parabens and sulfates and all that. I try and use a lot of all natural stuff. This is a bath soak. It's infused with organic lavender and frankincense essential oils. Gorgeous on the outside, healthy on the inside. It's no parabens, no DEA, no dyes, no synthetics, no phthalates, no petroleum. Ooh, this is awesome. I'm so hype. So hype. Alright. And then this. Oh, dang. Okay. This is by the brand called Provise. And it's all skin types. It's called Marine Cleanser. Non-dry marine algae and botanical cleanser helps gently remove dead skin cells, excess oil, and pollution for soft, supple skin. Oh, wow. It's a face cleanser, too. No dyes, no synthetic oils, parabens, or PEGs. Yeah, I guess you can use it every day, too. This is 8.1 ounces. Y'all know how long this is going to last me? I got this, by the doctor I go to get my lips done. A year ago, last time I got my lips done was June of 2017, and I got this like free like bag and all that, and their face wash, I call it wash. Their face wash was I was trying to say wash. Their face wash was 6 ounces, I think, and I literally still have it. Like, I kid y'all not, it's lasted me forever. So this will really last me a long time. And then look how cute this is. This is a sonogram frame, Love at First Sight. So obviously this isn't like her, but it's a, picture. So, oh, I'm so hype. Yes, so that was my first bump box. So, it's really not too long of a video, but it's nice that I can share this with you guys. So, I'll be unboxing them every single month. So, this will be like one of the last videos I do in this place too, because I'm getting ready to move the end of June. So, I might be able to record one more time in here, and that's it. So, anyways, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And also, I'll be filming a week's 22 to 26 video the following week, and I'll be uploading that within like the next 2 weeks. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.